cancer is not a disease, it's a survival mechanism. So cancer is not trying to cancer is actually trying to save your life.
Really?
It's creating a tumor, a place for all those toxins to be so that they don't spread to other parts of the body. Okay. When you go to a doctor, the first thing they do is say, okay, well, let's take a biopsy, where they prick the tumor and they see if it was cancerous or not. Well, first of all, whether the tumor is cancerous or not, your passive treatment is still the same. So you don't actually need the biopsy. In fact, most people don't actually die from cancer. They die from the treatment of cancer.
Really?
Yes. And so when they take that biopsy, remember that we're dealing with healthcare, so there's no money to be made off healthy humans.
Right.
And so when they prick the tumor, they're opening it up and allowing the cancer cells and all the harmful toxins to now spread throughout the body.
Jeez.
So now you go from having a tumor on biopsy, they come back, a little bit later and they say, okay, well now the cancer's spreading all throughout your body, so we're going to have to charge you more money, and you're going to have to do more radiation, chemotherapy, and all that, et cetera, which is crazy because Dr. Otto Warburg, who discovered cancer, he won the Nobel Prize for discovering cancer, he said, quote unquote, that no disease, including cancer, so this is any disease out there, can survive in a highly alkaline, highly oxygenated environment.